नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is non-Hodgkin's lymphoma or non-Hodgkin's disease. Non-Hodgkin's lymphomas and lymphoid leukemias comprise a large group of heterogeneous of neoplasm of lymphoid tissue and blood. Non-Hodgkin lymphomas have several types and are far more common, 62% than Hodgkin's disease. The first is acute lymphoblastic leukemia. Lymphoid malignancy originating from precursor series of B and T cells is the most common form of cancer of children under 4 years of age, together constituting 4% of all lymphoid malignancy. Pre-B cell all constitute 90% cases, while pre-T cell lymphoid malignancy comprise the remaining 10%. Clinical features: precursor B cell lymphoblastic leukemia most often is it is present as acute lymphocytic leukemia is in children. Rarely presentation may be in the form of lymphoma in the children or adults, and it rapidly transform into leukemia. Precursor T cell lymphoblastic leukemia lymphoma, as the name implies, these cell cases may present as ALL or as lymphoma. Since the precursor T cell differentiated in the thymus, this tumor often presents as mediastinal mass and pleural effusion and progresses rapidly to develop leukemia in the blood and bone marrow. Precursor T cells lymphomas leukemia is however more aggressive than its B cell counterparts. Morphological features: precursor B and T cell ALL are indistinguishable on routine morphology. The diagnosis is um, first is blood examination. Peripheral blood generally shows anemia and thrombocytopenia and may show leukemia to normal, TLC to leukocytosis. DLC shows large number of circulating lymphoblasts having round to convoluted nuclei, high nucleocytoplasmic ratio, and absence of cytoplasmic granularity. Uh, Bone marrow examination. Marrow examination shows 20 to 95% of malignant undifferentiated cell of precursor B or T cells, origin megakaryocytes, are usually reduced or absent. Cytochemistry is periodic acid SCIF positive in immature lymphoid cells in ALL, acid phosphatase, myeloperoxidase, Sudan black, and non-specific esterase. Immunophenotyping. TDT is expressed by the nuclei of both pre-B and pre-T stage of differentiation of lymphoid cells. A specific diagnosis is established by following immunophenotyping. Pre-B cell type typically positive for pan-B cell marker CD19, CD10, and CD9A, while pre-T cells typically positive for CD1, CD2, CD3, CD5, and CD7 markers. Principles of treatment and prognosis. Treatment plan for children with pre-B and pre-T cell ALL is intensive remission include induction with combination therapy. Patient presenting with pre-B and pre-T cell lymphoma are treated as a case of ALL. Prognosis and disease-free survival of children with both pre-B and pre-T cell ALL is better than in adults. Now, chronic lymphocytic and leukemia. As the name implies, this subtype may present as leukemia or lymphoma, constituting 9% of all lymphoid neoplasm. As lymphoid leukemia, CLL, this is the most common form, while as SLL, it constitutes 7% of all non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. B-cell CLL or SLL occurs more commonly in middle and older age group over 50 year of age, with a male preponderance, male female ratio of 2:1. Clinical feature is feature of anemia, enlargement of superficial lymph node, splenomegaly and hepatomegaly are usual. Hemorrhagic manifestation, susceptibility to infections. Morphologic features. Blood picture. The findings are as under anemia. Anemia is usually mild to moderate and normocytic normochromic in type. While white blood cell. Typically there is marked leukocytosis but less than that seen in CML. Usually, more than 90% of leukocytes are mature. Small lymphocytes, smudges, or basket cells are present. Platelets are normal or moderately reduced. Bone marrow examination. Main findings are increased lymphocyte count, reduced myeloid precursor, reduced erythropoid precursor. Third is lymph node biopsy. Cases with lymphadenopathy at presentation shows replacement of the lymph node by diffuse proliferation of well-differentiated, mature, small, and uniform lymphocyte without any cytologic atypia or significant mitosis. Other investigations are positive for B-cell marker. Serum immunoglobulin levels are generally reduced. Coombs test is positive in 20% of cases. Treatment plan for and prognosis. Treatment is palliative and symptomatic. Prognosis of CLN and SSL is generally better than CML. Since blastic transformation seldom occurs, generally the course is indolent. However, some cases of SSL may transform into more aggressive diffuse large B-cell lymphomas. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoyed this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.